Here we have 2005 +4 2 litre 145 brake horsepower, finished in black. Does have paint protective film on bumpers, which is quite rare. Side lights, Union Jack badges, radio CD, round door mirrors, Ford Reclining sport seats, which are optional at this time. Very complimentary red leather against the black. Walnut dashboard, clock, Moto-lita steering wheel, door check straps. Nice with the cream dials, chrome interior mirror, Sunvisors, black PVC hood as standard. Luggage rack with sidescreen storage, spare wheel cover. Car's done in total about 34,000 miles. We've sold it previously before and we know it very well indeed. Car was originally fitted with alloy wheels and a previous owner paid extra to have it converted to wires. So it actually runs on the alloy wheel type tyres, which is the 205 60/15 instead of the 195 60/15. So the wires do look very slightly different to the standard ones. So it cost a few £1,000s when it was converted a good few years ago. So as mentioned, total mileage is about 34,000 miles. Drives really well, clean and tidy, a little bit of bubbling just on that wing edge there, and the odd other little minor mark. Very nice for an earlier Duratec example. Thank you for your viewing. For any more information or you'd like to view the car in the flesh, please contact Alamo Sports Cars.